Alright guys, so for today we're going to work on two-step linear equations. So to review from last time, if I gave the problem 2n equals to 21, this is a one-step linear equation where the 4 is multiplied by n. That way we need to divide by 4 on the left, divide by 4 on the right, and the 4's here cancel, so we're left with n equals to 21 over 4. Right now it's an improper fraction, but we always want to change it to a mixed number. So I'm going to change this to be 5 and 1 over 4. And that'll be our one-step linear equation. For the two-step linear equation, my first example is going to be 6a plus 4 equals to 40. Now, our variable that we're trying to solve for is a right here, and we want to be able to isolate this. So I see this plus 4 right here. I'm going to subtract by 4 first on the left, subtract by 4 on the right. These 4 and 4 cancel. So we're left with 6a equals to 40 minus 4 is 36. From this point, again, 6 times a, the inverse operation is to divide by 6 on the left, divide by 6 on the right. And we can see from here, those 6 cancels out. So the value of a is now 6. Okay? For our next example, example number 2, we can look here and see that we have v over 4 minus 3 equals to 5. Now again, our variable that we're trying to solve for is v, and it's with this 4 right here. To isolate this variable, we want to get rid of that minus 3 first, so we need to add 3 on the left, add 3 on the right. That 3 and 3 cancel, and what we're left over with is v over 4 equals to 8. And at this point, v divided by 4, the opposite of dividing by 4 is to multiply by 4 on the left and to multiply by 4 on the right. That way, that 4 and that 4 cross cancel, so v is 32. And one more example I have for you guys is example number 3. We're going to have is 3 minus k over 4 equals to 10. So if we look at that right now, again, our variable that we're trying to solve for is this whole term, that minus k over 4. We're trying to isolate the k. I see this as a positive 3. So to get rid of the positive 3, I have to subtract by 3 on the left and the right. This 3 and that 3 cross out. And what I'm left over with is I still have to carry down that negative sign. So it's still going to be negative k over 4 equals to 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now that minus sign is still there. To get rid of the minus sign and the 4 on the bottom, we're going to multiply by negative 4 on the left and multiply by negative 4 on the right. That way, that negative 4 and that negative 4 cross out. So now it's going to be left over with k equals to 7 times negative 4, which is negative 28. Alright, thank you guys.